Plant FAQs, Aglaonema wishes. Aglaonema wishes, your guide to the easy care pink beauty. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema wishes, a houseplant that's as stunning as it is easy to care for. This vibrant pink gem has captured hearts and living rooms worldwide, and for good reason. If you're looking for a pop of color that thrives with minimal fuss, the Aglaonema wishes might just be your perfect match. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is the Aglaonema wishes? The Aglaonema wishes, also known as the Chinese evergreen wishes, is a cultivar of the Aglaonema family. It boasts beautiful, elongated oval leaves with a captivating blend of pink, green, and cream variegation. Each leaf has its own unique pattern, making this plant a true conversation starter. Plus, it's a compact grower, typically reaching heights of 12 to 18 inches, making it ideal for apartments, offices, or any space craving a touch of life. Aglaonema wishes versus Lady Valentine. Comparing Aglaonema wishes and Lady Valentine in my collection, I find that the wishes variety brightens up my space with its vibrant green and pink leaves, while Aglaonema Lady Valentine's deeper pink tones add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Why choose the Aglaonema wishes? There are several reasons why the Aglaonema wishes has become such a popular houseplant. Easy care. This low-maintenance beauty doesn't demand constant attention. Provide bright, indirect sunlight and water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and you're golden. Air purifier. The Aglaonema wishes helps improve indoor air quality by removing common toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. So, breathe easy and enjoy the fresh vibes. Low light tolerance. Unlike some light-hungry plants, the Aglaonema wishes can tolerate lower light conditions. This makes it perfect for rooms that don't get a lot of natural sunlight. Vibrant color. The stunning pink, green, and cream variegation adds a touch of elegance and personality to any space. How to care for your Aglaonema wishes. Keeping your Aglaonema wishes happy is a breeze. Here's the lowdown. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Allow excess water to drain to prevent root rot. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Look for a mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Humidity. While the Aglaonema wishes adapts to average household humidity, it thrives with a little extra moisture. A pebble tray filled with water placed under the pot can help. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, can give your plant a boost. Aglaonema wishes versus other popular houseplants. Wondering how the Aglaonema wishes stacks up against other popular indoor plants? Let's explore some comparisons. Pothose. Both are easy care vining plants, but the pothose thrives in brighter light conditions and requires more frequent watering. Snake plant. Another low-maintenance option, the snake plant is even more tolerant of neglect than the Aglaonema wishes. However, it lacks the vibrant colors and variegation. ZZ plant. Similar to the snake plant, the ZZ plant is a champion of low-light conditions. However, it doesn't offer the air-purifying benefits of the Aglaonema wishes. Troubleshooting common Aglaonema wishes issues. Even the most low-maintenance plants can face occasional challenges. Here's how to address some common issues with your Aglaonema wishes. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or too much direct sunlight. Adjust your watering routine and provide proper light. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your plant to a brighter location. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally be a problem. Treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Conclusion. The Aglaonema wishes is a stunning and easy-to-care-for houseplant that adds a touch of elegance and vibrancy to any space. With its beautiful pink, green, and cream variegation, air-purifying properties, and low-maintenance needs, it's no wonder this plant has become such a popular choice. So, if you're looking for a fuss-free way to add a pop of color to your life, the Aglaonema wishes might just be your perfect match.